In this video, I will be giving review on the flexible mobile holder I bought online. Let's begin without any delay. Okay. Let's do the unboxing. The box is pretty small in size. I was shocked to see its size when I received the parcel. It consists of two separate parts for mobile holder and the live stream holder itself. Okay. It looks like this. It has two parts. Yes. One part has the LED light and the other part has the mobile holder. Both parts are connected to the clip. You can clip it with your laptop, table or any surface which has an edge. Let's install it. Super easy. This part is basically where we will join the two pieces and it will become a mobile holder. I have clipped it with my laptop. This is the USB cable which has a controller from where you can control the intensity of light, you can change the color effect of light, and you can turn it on and off. Let's connect it with our laptop. It needs to be connected to a USB port. You can connect it with any charger adapter which has a USB port. You can see the controller here. There are 4 buttons. The first button is to increase the intensity of light. The second button is the change the mode, or you can say the color of light. The third button is the decrease the intensity of light. The fourth button is the power button, to turn it on and off. You can rotate the LED light according to your desired position. Now, I will tell you how to set up the mobile holder. Mobile holder is ready to hold your phone now. Okay. Everything is ready now. You can fix your phone inside the holder and start using it. It doesn't has any stand. This tool has a clip. That is why it's dependent on something it has to hold to stand. It's a tool for live streaming. You can take a selfie photo with it. You can make a video call by using it. And you can also use it as a LED table reading lamp. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like it and subscribe my channel.